channel. Today I'm going to show you a different way to make jacket potatoes using your Ninja Foodi, and this is a really great way of creating a fluffy inside and also a really crispy skin, and you don't need to microwave it or do anything else. The Ninja does all the work for you. You're going to be using the probe as well. Now if you haven't got the probe on your Ninja Foodi, so you've got a model that is lower than the 15-in-1, you can still steam air fry them if you've got that mode, and then just do it without the probe, and then you can use an external food thermometer to kind of test the internal temperature. So it still can work for everybody as long as you've got the steam air fry function on your machine. If you like the look of these spuds, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new and you would like more Ninja Foodi content from me. All my recipes are over on my website as well, so if you do want printable recipes, there's a subscription that you can do over there, www.susannahskitchen.uk. So let's go and make some nice jacket potatoes, baked potatoes, whatever you like to call them. Now, there really is no right or wrong when you want to make a jacket potato in your Ninja Foodi. So many ways to do it. A lot of people microwave them first, then they air fry them. Some people pressure cook them. There's various ways. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of a different one. Now, my jacket potatoes are slightly different sizes. These ones are more round, these ones are longer. What I like to do is to use my probe. So the probe is situated in the side of your Ninja Foodi if you're new to it and haven't used it yet, and just unravel that. And the beauty of using the probe is we get an accurate cook, and that's what this is all about. In the lid just here, you've got the little stopper where the probe goes into. So let's get that probe inserted. So that is now ready to use. With my jacket potatoes, I like to wash them, dry them off, and then spray them with some oil. So let's do that. This is olive oil, and that would be my oil of choice. Give them a good rub all over like that. And then I think this is probably my largest potato. So I'm going to insert the probe right down the middle like that and sit that in the air fryer basket. You can put them on the rack, it doesn't really matter. I just already had that in here. So continue with the other potatoes. Get that oil on them, give them a little massage. So obviously we put the probe into the largest one to ensure that that one is going to be cooked, and that means the others are then going to be cooked. So last one here, so I've got 4 jacket potatoes here that I'm cooking. Smother that one in oil too. I like to season my jackets with some salt, and that will stick nicely to the skin because we've got that oil on them. Now you do want these raised up because we're going to need some water in the bottom here. Now you could have put this in first, of course, but it doesn't really matter. I can just pour it down the side there. So this is just 300 mils of water because we're going to be using steam, and the function we're using is steam air fry using the probe. So let's get the lid down and let me show you how to set this up. Now, as you can see, it comes up here showing that I've got the probe engaged. Go over to the middle section here. We're on combi steam, and then you can select steam air fry. Steam air fry, we don't want to set a temperature because we want to actually go with manual here. So target temperature, I want to increase that to 100. So now what we're doing is we are cooking it to a temperature rather than cooking at a temperature and time. So I hope that makes sense. So your target temperature is 100 for the internal, so it's 100 degrees Celsius. And we want to cook those on manual, and you just press start. So the result is a beautiful crispy skin. Let's cut this one open. And that is lovely and fluffy inside. Let's just have a little look at the texture. Yes, look at that. it's just falling apart and it's all beautifully fluffy. This works so well. Steam air fry your jackets, very crisp exterior, and it tastes really nice as well because you've got that salt and that oil on the outside. Oh, so fluffy in the middle. Let me just taste a bit. These are beautiful jacket potatoes.